Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to do a quick in-depth comparison review about these two CRM platform, which is SugarCRM and ClickUp. So to get started with a quick overview, SugarCRM is a powerful CRM platform built for mid to large businesses that needs advanced sales automation, deep customization, AI forecasting, and a scalable deployment. It deals for companies with complex sales and customer service operations. Talking about ClickUp on the other side is a primarily project management tools, now including CRM capabilities, the customizable views, automations, and integration. It's best suited for teams wanting a combined task management and light CRM in one platform. Talking about what this two platform is best for, so SugarCRM is simply best for enterprise needing a robust, scalable CRM with a AI-powered workflow automation. And talking about the ClickUp on the other side, this platform is best for small times and startup seeking a CRM plus a project management in one place or workplace. Now, talking about the overall conclusion about this platform, to help you decide, choose a SugarCRM if you want a dedicated enterprise grade CRM that can sales or scales with your business and provide deep automation and insights. Then on the other side, choose ClickUp if you prefer an affordable all-in-one workspace that includes a light CRM features alongside project management tools. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.